Yo people, it's your boy AmishYou with AmishYou Property Talks, and the topic I'm going to be covering today is on what to look for when you're searching online for properties. Your best friends are going to be your Rightmove, Zoopla and so forth, because it allows you to compare and see what's on the market. Some of the things that you would be looking at when searching is: 1, how long has it been on the market? 2, floor plans, because that's going to give you an idea of what additional work you can do to add value to the property. Primarily if it's a house, but even if it's a flat, right, you want to know that it's big enough and adequate enough for an investment. Distance from station, this is crucial, especially if it's a buy-to-let. Recently sold prices nearby, right, I would always consider that, because that gives you an indication of if the current market price is that, along with how long it's been listed, gives you an idea of, wait, have they priced it adequately? If it's a flat, lease detail, so the topics to look for is: what's the service charge? What's the ground rent? How many years left on the lease? Those are key for a flat. A very good tip is trying to understand what the rental amount for a property nearby is. Something that I've started doing is looking at the LHA rate. We'll have another video on that, but that will give you an idea of what the council would pay to rent a property from a private landlord. I guess, how far is it from you? Because if you're going to self-manage it, you don't want a property that's going to be so far away. And finally, I'd say what the current condition of the outside kitchen and bathroom look like, as that is probably what's going to sell it based on photos when you're trying to rent it out, unless you're going to do extra work and make it look beautiful. Cool, I hope you found that useful. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff, because all the good stuff, right? Peace.
That was good.